My name is Russell Ong. I do financial strategy and planning for a tech company in Singapore. And I pursue photography and I like to travel in my free time. I used to travel with the national team for swimming competitions. I used to be part of Team Singapore Swimming. And we would travel literally every month or multiple times a month for our competitions. Right now when I travel, I tend to seek out places with water. I really like water. I really want to pursue wakeboarding. I think when you travel with reputable carriers and you stay at places that are well known, they do take care of your creature comforts for you. Well, I actually don't prepare that much. I'm quite a light traveler. So a tip would be to personalize your suitcase so that you can see it on the conveyor belt. For myself, I do it with Tumi. I put my surname Ong on my suitcase so that it's very easy to spot. I think the GoPro is really handy for me to whip out when I'm wakeboarding or snorkelling. So I tend to travel with a really fun-loving bunch of friends. It's always useful to have alcohol on hand, and we tend to shop online on iShopChangi before the flight so that we don't have to queue up prior to it. I managed to snag a really rare bottle of 17-year-old Hibiki with a limited edition design on it. Picked this up about 3 to 4 years ago, and it has since quadrupled in price, I think, if you could even get it. So yeah, I was really lucky, and I mean, it's still on my shelf today.